Hey everyone, welcome to another Total Home Renovation update. We're pretty excited to be here because it's been long overdue.
Sorry for the traffic. It's pretty loud today.
If you recall from our last episode, we discussed that our Sunporch was going to be our next renovation. So we decided that we wanted to turn our Sunporch, 3-season Sunporch, into a 4-season living space so that we can enjoy it all year round, because it was absolutely our favorite space in the house.
The old sunroom was quite rotten. It was in a pretty bad state of mind. So we had some plans drawn up, and we took out basically all the exterior walls. We supported the roof in place, built all new walls on the existing floor. Unfortunately, we had to dig up all the piers and go down 6 feet, put in proper footings and all that jazz. And it was quite cold when we did it. It was winter.
Yeah.
But here we are. We're ready to basically finish up the interior framing for the structure and get our inspection done.
We've got all of our doors and windows in too, which was pretty exciting.
Well, they're kind of just tacked in place right now because I had to get them out of the snow. But I still got to do all the flashing around them and all that.
Lots of work to do. It's not over yet.
Yeah, let's go inside and I'll show you the beam. All right, so here we are inside. We got the beam in. The old wall was here with a giant window and a very big door on the other side. We had to support it, obviously. All the trusses had to be supported with a temporary wall to take the weight until this beam got put in. It was kind of tricky. We had to open up this wall here on the side so the beam could slide in. We also had to break a hole in our house, in our office, so the beam could come in, come over, and then be hoisted up. So 22'5", 675 pounds. We had 9 guys here, plus a mechanical lift, and we got the sucker in place and posts underneath, and they're ready to be tacked in.
So we wanted to share a little sneak peek of a little special touch that we're bringing into the space that we're really excited about. We just can't wait to see it in place, and that's our wood stove. So with this beautiful cylindrical wood stove, very contemporary. It's a pretty exciting little detail that's going to go back into the sunroom, and it'll also add a really beautiful focal point to the room.
It's funny, we took a wood stove out and now we're putting one back in.
Yeah. Well, we love that, the aspect of it. The ambience, the sound, the crackling, the fragrance of the wood stove is unbeatable. So it's a really important detail for us. Plus, we live here in Canada, right? So if our power goes out, which we all experienced recently, yeah, it'll allow us some heat. So
all right, thanks very much for following us, and we'll talk to you soon.
Cheers. So some of the things that we have done since you saw last was, as you can see behind us, our new kitchen window. We opted in